go for a walk? Walk? We go out? Let's go. Okay, so a couple of days ago, I bought this cheapo little camcorder on Amazon. This one was about 70 bucks. It's super lightweight. I love that I can fit it in my fanny pack because that's like what I use to do my life right now. I don't really use a big bag right now. I love the little strap. I love that the lens cap stays on. Like I feel like a dad at Disney World in 1994. It turns on when I open and it makes this cute little ding noise when it turns on. The one thing I don't like that this doesn't have like a wide lens on it. I wish it was a little bit wider. I don't actually know what lens it is. I should find that out. There's a zoom, so I can zoom in super close. The more I zoom, the worse the quality, so that kind of sucks. But I like the like grainy weirdness of it, the kind of vintage feel. I'm obsessed with cameras. I have like 8 or 9 cameras. I don't really have any like just cameras devoted to like video. So I thought I'd get this, thought I'd test it out, do a little day in Greenpoint. The other things I would say are cons of this. You're supposed to be able to plug this directly into like a computer and you can offload your footage here, and that doesn't work, and I don't know why, but it was 70 bucks on Amazon, so I'm not really gonna complain. I just take the SD card out and just use my little SD card reader. Also, the sound's really bad, so I wouldn't use this for sound. I am gonna test out an external mic, put it here, and see how that works. So that's my camcorder. I hope you enjoy the video.